Hey, it's Tony talking CarBiz. In today's vehicle video, we've got a brand new 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 Double-Cab. We're going to dive in. First video, we're going to take a look at the exterior features, and then in video number 2, we'll go ahead and check out the interior. So let's get started. Here we go. So 2021 Toyota Tacoma Double-Cab 4x4 SR5 with the 5-foot bed. Let's get started up front. Take a look at the grille and the headlight setup. So on your grille, this is going to be kind of a gunmetal gray metallic style grille with that huge Toyota badge right in the center. Now behind here are the sensors for the dynamic radar cruise control behind that Toyota badge. We've got chrome trim around the upper grille, and then low into the second part of the grille down here, we've got integrated fog lamps. Sorry about that. Not LED, but integrated into the bumper. And then we've got projector style headlights, and these are not LED either, but they are really nice style and they look good and they're bright enough. You could probably replace them with LED bulbs if that's something you wanted to do, but halogen bulbs out of the gate. So down on the lower part of the bumper, this is that ABS plastic, scratch resistant, dent resistant. And then the SR5 does have the lower air dam down here as well, with tie down hooks and tow hooks if you need those. But a really great looking front end. Love the color on this one. This is going to be Barcelona Red. So classic Toyota Barcelona Red color. And with the black alloy wheels and the black trim, I love this combination. This might be the one I would choose. So we've got blacked out cast aluminum wheels. These are going to be a 17-inch cast aluminum wheels. I'm sorry, 16-inch, my bad, with chrome lug nuts. And those are a Firestone tire. So you're riding on a P245 75R16, more of an all-season, all-weather tire. Probably not the best off-road tire, but will definitely do the job if you need to do a little light off-roading. But what do you think of the matte black finish on those? I think it looks awesome, but that's just one man's opinion. SR5 does have over-the-wheel moldings that are colored to match. So Barcelona Red. You get into a TRD off-road, and those are going to be more of a matte black finish on there. Here's a quick look at our independent front suspension with our coil springs over our strut, and just a great independent suspension, plenty durable for the casual off-roader. Now again, this is going to be the double cab SR5 with the 5-foot bed. So you do get chrome Tacoma badging, color to match door handles, SR5 badging in chrome. We've got color to match outside mirrors, collapsible, also breakaway, blind spot monitoring. This one has the technology package, so blind spot monitoring, LED turn signals with a little bit of chrome trim on the inside of there. Love the matte black finish on your B-pillar here and up and around the windows of the doors. So we've got privacy glass on the back doors and on the back window here. And then this back window is a power sliding rear window. We've got a matte black shark fin antenna. There's our third brake light up top there. Now the bed on the Tacoma is a composite fiber reinforced composite bed. So definitely good protection from scratches, dents, and dings. You can see we've got the protection up over the top of the lip here. There's tie-down hooks in there as well at all 4 corners. Also the rail system right there. So it does come with 4 tie-down cleats that fit right in that track there. There is a storage compartment over on that side right there. Pop that open. It's not locking, but it's a good way to keep stuff out of sight, out of mind. Maybe minor stuff that you're not worried about, perhaps someone getting a hold of. Now across the back, I just want to take a quick look at the rear suspension. So we've got drum brakes in the back. We do have anti-lock brakes all the way around, but we've got drum on the rear disc up front. And then this one does have some additional protection here for the rocker panels. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's a kind of a clear protectant going down there on the bed for stone chips and what have you. Gas tank's right there. Here's a quick look at your suspension with your shocks and your leaf springs. What do you think of this color? I'm sure if you've looked at any Toyotas, you've seen Barcelona Red, but I think with the black contrast, this thing looks awesome. This is kind of the middle of the road, maybe lower end of the Tacoma. It's an SR5 with some great features on it, but a really great practical all day, every day kind of truck. Now, as we look at the tailgate, there's a couple great features going on here. Number one, chrome badging on the V6. So we've got a 3.5 liter V6, chrome badging on the 4x4. Tacoma stamped into the bed. And there is an accessory for appliques, so if you wanted that to be black, we can do that right at the dealership. The door handle itself, the tailgate handle, Toyota embossed on there. It's a locking tailgate, which is helpful when you put on a hard tonneau cover, or if you put on a topper shell, you're going to be able to lock it up, keep your thing secure. Here's your backup camera right up underneath here. And then we do have the Class 4 trailer towing setup. So you get the 4-pin and the 7-pin connector. It's a lighted step bumper, and then this is all textured and designed to be slip resistant. We also have the receiver down here for your trailer towing, so that is included. And then we do have a full-size spare tire up underneath there. It's not the same wheel that's on the ground, but it is the same size tire. And here's a quick look at your suspension up underneath in the back, and your rear axle. So ready to tow right off the dealer's lot with the trailer towing package on here standard. Now your tailgate is kind of the slow release style tailgate. Give that a tug, and so it doesn't just crash down on you. And it's also removable, so if you did need to take it out. Here's a quick look at the bed liner, and here's that storage box I mentioned before. As I said, it's not lockable, but it is a nice place to throw some odds and ends. You can also add some LED lighting back here. That's what these panels are on the back here. And that can be installed at the local Toyota dealership for an extra charge. That tailgate is also removable, by the way, so you can take that out. So what are your thoughts on the exterior? This color combination, I'm a big fan. I'm a buyer. What do you think? Let's go ahead and pop the hood and take a quick look at the engine and see what it's all about. Okay, take a look under the hood. So only this engine here is the only V6 that they offer on the Tacoma, and it's a gasoline engine, 3.5 liter V6, 24 valve V6, and it's connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now the engine horsepower 278 at 6,000 RPMs. So plenty of power out of here, 265 foot-pounds of torque. That's at 4,600 RPM. And we do have four-wheel demand part-time with an electronically controlled transfer case. So really smooth changing in and out of that four-wheel drive mode. We do have variable assist rack and pinion power steering. The engine and the transmission have a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, no deductible. And then you do get Toyota Care. That covers your basic maintenance, so your oil changes, your fluid top-offs, and your tire rotations covered by Toyota Care for 2 years or $25,000, and that'll save you several $100s over the first couple of years of ownership. Now we do have the hill start assist control for the off-road suspension, or the off-road transmission, if you will. We have power assist brakes all the way around, anti-lock brakes, as I said before, disc brakes up front, drum on the rear. So this is really a great vehicle, all-purpose, all-around. Combined fuel economy, city and highway, that's going to be 24 miles per gallon. So pretty decent gas mileage out of a vehicle of this size with the four-wheel drive. So really a good overall vehicle for that. Now we include a 3-year 36,000 mile limited warranty, so that covers against manufacturer defect. If Toyota did something wrong, they're going to cover that under that warranty. So let me know in the comments if this is the right truck for you. It's a great option. The list price on this particular one comes in at $37,894 as it sits. And this one has a technology package, has a paint film package, so that covers the hood and the door caps. You can't really see that on video. And then this one does have the all-weather floor liners, which are $269. That's going to be inside. So these are those all-weather floor liners, and you can see that does read Tacoma on there. So this is video number 1 of 2. In my next video, I'm going to go ahead and capture the interior of this particular one, and it's really great interior because it has red contrast on the inside. So be sure and watch video number 2. Hey, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. Love to have you as part of our community. Love to hear your thoughts on this one. This is Tony at Talking CarBiz. Thanks for watching.